Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We're here to help you make sense of the information out there, turning sources into real understanding, maybe even a few aha moments.
Hopefully.
Today, we are diving into the pretty crowded world of fitness tech.
Yeah, very crowded.
We're focusing specifically on the Strong Workout app. We've gone through a recent Unbiased review, and our goal here is really just to pull out the key stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You know, what does it do? Why should you care? Who's it actually for?
Right.
Okay, let's unpack this. Is Strong the app your workouts have been missing?
What's fascinating here is just how many fitness apps there are now. It feels like overload sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
Like every week there's a new revolutionary app. And finding one that fits your specific needs not just adds noise. That's the challenge.
It really is.
So understanding an app like Strong, its nuances is important,
Yeah.
especially if you like efficiency and, control over your own fitness plan.
That's a great way to put it, control.
Yeah.
Because when you look at Strong, its main job is, pretty clear.
Yeah.
It's built for straightforward logging of strength and cardio. Highly customizable, too.
But that's its core, isn't it?
Exactly. The review we looked at
Right.
really highlighted its biggest plus points right away. Clean interface, simple.
Which is nice. Not too busy.
Right. And the flexibility. You can add your own exercises, build your own routines. It adapts to you.
It's just force you into its box.
No. Powerlifter, bodybuilder, someone doing random stuff. It lets you track pretty much any style. Puts the control with you.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, that simplicity isn't just like accidental design. It feels intentional.
How so?
It's sort of an antidote to all the complex, overwhelming apps out there. It avoids that decision fatigue.
Oh, right. Don't make me think too much.
Exactly. Strong seems to say, look, we'll do this one thing, tracking really, really well. You just focus on lifting, not fighting the app. And that no-nonsense approach, it clicks with people who already know what they're doing.
People who have a plan already.
Yeah, they've got their program, their goals. They just need a reliable way to log it without all the extra features or, unsolicited advice.
Like a good tool, not a coach.
It respects that you know what you're doing.
Respecting the user, yeah.
Yeah.
Because when you dig into the features, it's not just basic logging, is it?
Not at all.
It handles a huge range of exercise types. That's pretty crucial for making it truly personal.
What kind of things?
Well, assisted exercises, like on machines. Lots of apps struggle there. Bodyweight stuff, obviously. Even duration things, like planks or cardio intervals.
Okay, so flexibility there.
And for people who structure workouts more intensely, it handles grouped exercises. Think supersets.
Doing 2 exercises back to back, yeah.
Or even giant sets. And you can tag sets. This is pretty cool as warm-up or failure sets or drop sets.
Wow, that's granular.
Right. So you get this incredibly detailed record of your actual effort and intensity. It feels like someone who lifts designed it.
It really does. And the value of that kind of granular tracking, it's huge for experienced lifters.
Why specifically them?
Because if you're following a specific method, like periodization, you need that level of detail.
Makes sense.
It's not just about writing numbers down. It lets you make tiny, precise adjustments to your next workout, your next training block. Knowing exactly which set was a failure set or how your warm-ups felt, that helps you break through plateaus. It's real data guiding you.
Turning data into actual insights.
Exactly. It's the difference between guessing how you're doing and knowing.
And Strong helps you understand that data too, right? It's not just storing it.
Yeah, the visualization is key.
It gives you exercise instructions, detailed ones, and they're adding more animated videos, which is great for form.
Good for learning new moves.
Definitely. But the analytics are where it really steps up. It tracks your PRs, personal records, estimates your 1 rep max, your 1 RM, tracks total weight lifted over time.
So you can see the progress.
You can see it. Graphs for volume, graphs for 1 RM progression. Clear, easy to read. Plus, it throws in some really useful tools, like a warm-up calculator.
Oh, that's handy.
Yeah, and a plate calculator, so no more mental math trying to load the bar.
We've all been there.
And a body measurements tracker, too.
Yeah.
So you can see physical changes alongside the strength gains.
Those features, they're genuinely empowering. They save time, mental energy.
That energy you need for the workout itself.
But more than that, they let you really understand your performance trends. Weeks, months, years.
Yeah.
Which, this raises an important question. How much do these features, being easy to use but also comprehensive, help with sticking to it long term?
Good question. Motivation.
Yeah, motivation and adherence. When an app makes tracking easy and shows you proof of your hard work, that becomes a powerful motivator in itself. It's reinforcing, you see the graph going up, you want to keep going.
You're building that verifiable track record. That feels good.
Absolutely.
And Strong gets that your fitness life isn't just on your phone, right? It handles data management well.
Yeah.
Cloud sync is a big one. Backs up your data, lets you access it on different devices. Phone, tablet, whatever.
Standard now, but crucial.
Crucial. Plus integration with Apple Health and Google Fit. So you can see your workout data alongside other health stuff. Centralized.
Very convenient.
But the review really called out the Apple Watch app as a standout.
Oh, yeah. What's special about it?
You can log your whole workout just from your wrist. Don't even need your phone with you.
That's great for focus. Less distraction.
Exactly. And for the real data nerds or people working with coaches, you can export all your workout data as a CSV file.
Oh, nice. Full data portability.
Yeah, for deep dives into spreadsheets or whatever analysis you want.
That data portability and the multi-device support, that's like table stakes now for serious users, isn't it?
Pretty much expected, yeah.
People use multiple gadgets. They want their data to just flow. And the CSV export, that's actually a big deal.
Why is that?
It shows a commitment to user ownership. It says, here's your data, do what you want with it. Advanced users love that analytical freedom. It's not locking you in.
Right. You own your progress.
It's about giving you your data back in a usable format.
Okay, so that covers a lot of the what. Let's talk about the user experience. What are people actually saying about using Strong?
The feedback seems overwhelmingly positive on a few key points.
Like what?
Reliability is huge. People say it just works. And ease of use, especially for customizing workouts and seeing progress over time.
Here's where it gets really interesting.
Yeah.
It seems reliable because it's simple.
I think that connects directly back to its core philosophy, yeah. That focus on pure tracking, no distractions. When an app isn't trying to be your social network, your meal planner, and your coach.
Right, doing too much.
It can just focus its resources on making that core tracking function rock solid. It's dependable because it's focused. You bring the workout, it records it flawlessly. Simple contract.
But, like any tool, it's not perfect for everyone. The review did raise some risks and considerations.
Okay, what were those?
First, the lack of guidance. Strong doesn't give you workout plans or coaching.
Right, you need to know what you're doing.
Exactly. You bring your own routine or build it yourself, which means probably not ideal for total beginners needing that hand-holding.
That makes sense. It defines its audience.
Yeah. Second point, design aesthetic. Some users feel it looks a bit dated.
Okay, subjective, but fair comment.
Might not have that super slick modern feel of some newer apps. And third, the value of the paid subscription gets debated.
The cost factor.
Yeah. The review noted that while the features are good, you can find similar things in other apps, maybe cheaper or maybe apps that get updated more often with new stuff.
Right. Let's break those down a bit. The lack of built-in plans, that's not really a flaw, is it?
More of a choice.
It's a defining choice. It clearly targets the experienced lifter, not the beginner. Strong trusts you.
Okay. What about the dated design?
Well, design is always subjective, you know. For Strong's core users, I suspect functionality and reliability probably trump cutting-edge looks.
Like a solid piece of gym equipment. Doesn't need to be fancy.
Exactly. It just needs to work perfectly. And the subscription value, that highlights a classic trade-off.
How so?
Other apps might add features constantly, always evolving. Strong focuses on doing its core job reliably. It's stable.
So it's a question of what you value more.
Precisely. This raises an important question. How much do you value that focused, reliable tool versus a platform that's always changing, always adding more features you might not even need?
Your answer tells you if Strong is the right fit.
Definitely.
Okay, so wrapping this up, the overall take seems to be Strong is a robust, no-nonsense workout tracker.
That sums it up well.
Ideal user, experienced lifters, or just anyone who wants total control over logging without the fluff.
If you know your program, it's probably great.
Yeah. But if you're looking for guided programs, a virtual coach, or that super modern interface, maybe look elsewhere.
Sound advice.
But for pure tracking and customization, seems like it's still a top contender.
For sure. For that specific job, pure tracking, pure customization Strong is definitely a longtime favorite in the fitness community for a reason.
Its value is in that focus.
Exactly. Its value lies in its focused utility for a specific group, not trying to be everything to everyone. It knows its lane.
Well, that brings us to the end of this deep dive on the Strong Workout app. Hope this gives you a clearer picture of where it fits and if it might fit for you.
Hope so, too.
So what does this all mean? It means choosing the right tool is crucial. Understanding what an app is and what it isn't helps you find something that genuinely supports your fitness, instead of making it more complicated.
Well said. And maybe that leaves us with a final provocative thought for you to consider.
Go for it.
In this world of just endless fitness tracking options, how much do you personally value simplicity and deep customization versus having comprehensive guidance and an interface that's constantly changing, maybe even distracting?
Interesting angle.
And maybe more deeply, how does your answer to that reveal something about your own approach to fitness and how you see technology fitting into it?
What do you really need from a tracker?
Exactly. What truly supports your goals, your preferences? Are you comfortable being your own coach, needing just the perfect logbook? Something to think about.